What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we're installing some shit in the car. As y'all could tell from the title, right now I'm about to install the DRL, the yellow DRL lights. So instead of the white ones, let me see if y'all boys could see good. Hold on. This should be tweaking. Yeah, I'm back. Today we will be installing some DRL lights on my BMW, the yellow DRL lights. Now we're about to get into it. I'm about to get started right now. I'm about to find some tools, start pulling my fender liner out. Damn, Chad, this one is dumb tight. I think I might need to take this wheel off. Alright, so now I'm gonna take these off, these little clips. Ain't gonna lie, chat. Oh shit. I got one out so far. So how the fuck one work, but that one won't work? What's going on, chat? And I'm not trying to break these clips because these clips is easy to break. There you go. Another one is out. I think you could use a flathead screwdriver. This one is out too. I think y'all could use a flathead screwdriver. So this little thing in there, this little rubber piece, just pull it for me, right to about right there. Boom. That is off. Now same thing for this side. So my GoPro just died, but we're finna get back to it. So basically there's a screw right there, for me, which is this one. So you gotta take that one off and this one off for the headlights. Yeah, I see it. I guess it's this one right there. Why is this already loosened? What the fuck? But this side was already loosened, chat. I ain't gonna lie. So I got the screw out, chat. I got the first one out. It's a T20. Got the first one out. Now we gotta do the other side, which is this one right here. don't know if y'all can see it. I don't think y'all can see it. Hold on. Anyway, chat, so the screws right here, I'm gonna try this. Now we on top, so there's 2 screws on top. 1, 2, T20s. Now you gotta take those out. You gotta take those out. For me, boom, now it's loosened. Let's use my finger and take it out. Boom, just like that. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible because it's pretty late and I gotta wash my car soon. So no doubt we got both of those, all 4 of them screws out. The headlights should be easy to come out now, but just be gentle with it. You feel me? Be gentle, kind of like pull. Hold on, let me shake this over a little bit. Take this off, move this shit. Boom, there you go. Just take your time and pull it out, and it should come out just like that. My GoPro died, so I gotta use my phone now, so it's a little bit harder. You feel me? I just gotta pass this. There's a white clip right there. I gotta pass it. There's a little white clip. For me, you see it? Just gotta pass that clip right there, and then we should get that light out. So I'm gonna put y'all down for a little bit while I take this headlight out. Now I got the headlight out. Now this is what we're trying to get to. So now I'm gonna use this little thingy right here and open it. It has 2 screws on each side. So that's the one out so far. And there's another one. Just be gentle and take these screws out. I'm just gonna lose the screw, I ain't gonna lie. So boom, I got both of them out. Now you should be able to just grab this off. What the fuck? Wait, Chad, this shit broke. Wait, hold on. Is that safe? That's why my DRL lights on this side was yellow. What the fuck? Damn, bro. Fuck. I think I'm gonna have to get a new headlight if this shit don't work. So now I'm about to install it and see if it works. Okay, so what do is there's a clip focus, there's a clip right here. Kind of like hold it down and then you pull it off. I can't do it while I'm holding the phone, so I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. Now I got it off. So what you gotta do now is there's a screw in the middle. What the fuck? Why is this one smaller? So I got another tool. For me now I'm taking it out. I got my screw out. So now I'm gonna take this off. This is the old one. This is the left side. So now I'm gonna put the new one on. So this is the new one. This is the new one. Put it on just like this. Just like that. Then you put the screw back in. Then you tighten it. Don't make it super tight because you're gonna be gentle with it. So don't make it super tight because I think it will break. For me, it's gonna be gentle with shit like this. Now we got it back on. It's not super tight, so I'm gonna tighten it a little bit. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm putting it back on. Okay, so I just snap it back on. And I'm gonna kind of put it right there and put the screws back in, and then I'm gonna turn the lights on to see if it works. hope this side worked because y'all will see how the things inside broke. I know y'all seen that. So hopefully this should work perfectly fine. All right, so now we got it back together. I'm gonna go turn the lights on. I pray this should work. Okay, it looks good now. Looks even better. It looks even brighter because the yellow lights, the yellow stuff inside was, the white stuff inside was a little bit burnt out. So I kind of cleaned it. So now it look even better. So now we got that installed. Now we gotta put the car back together. I'm gonna try to see if my GoPro is a little bit charged. I'm gonna try to use that because the phone is a little bit harder to use. So yeah, boom, there you go. Both sides is installed. Looks pretty good. Looks clean. You feel me? I'm super excited. So yep, now I'm gonna put the phone down for a little bit and pick my GoPro up. I know I'm about to put this back together. Trying to be gentle with it. Damn. I'm gonna put this side in first. Fuck, I'm fucking my car up, bro. Damn. What the fuck? Damn, bro. Almost there. Now I gotta put this side inside. There we go. Should be good. It's looking good though, chat. Let's creep my car, but fuck it, we'll be alright. But the yellow lights do look tough, chat. That should look clean as fuck. Super fucking tough. No cap. I'm gonna turn these off right now. Boom. That's off. The headlights is off. Or the day running lights is off. So now I'm gonna put this back together. For me, put all my screws back together. I'm gonna try to get this one first. This one over here. Boom. It's inside there. I'm gonna push the other one through. Now I get my extendo. My T20 with the extendo, and I kind of like tighten it with my hands first. Now I tighten both of them with my hands. Now I'm gonna try to tighten these bad boys up. Hope y'all boys can see what I'm showing y'all. I think that's pretty tight. That's pretty tight too. Now we'll go back up top, put these two screws back in. So now I'm putting these back together, just like that. Make sure they're super tight. Damn, fucking my lights up. Damn. No, that's a super tight. Should be good. Double check them to make sure they're super tight. Make sure it's not shaking. It's looking good. I'm gonna show y'all how they look again. Damn. That's how they look. Feel me? They look pretty good. Super bright. This, I don't know why, but this one is. I feel like this one is brighter than this side. Am I tripping? Let me find out. I don't know. We don't know, but I don't give a fuck. Now I'm about to put everything back together. I don't think I will be showing y'all everything. So I think this might be the end of the video. Everything should be easy to put back together. So now I'm about to install this off camera. Try to get this done real quick. And then I gotta bring my car outside, give it a little wash. Super dirty. Dirty as fuck. Dirty as fuck. Dirty as fuck. Dirty as fuck. She's super dirty. Super dirty. This is the end of the video. So y'all boys, make sure y'all like the video, hit that like button. Hey, make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, turn on post noties. So when I drop videos, y'all boys get noties, you know what I'm saying? So now I'ma head out. See y'all boys later. OTS gang.